Do you know my teacher has told me water can travel from things too. Oh really? I have this toy, can water pass through it? Oh no dear. This toy is made of plastic. Plastic can't absorb water. Yes. I also know about it. There are few things which can absorb water, like paper, clothes, wool. There are few things which can't absorb water, like iron, stone, plastic. Wow, guys, this sounds quite interesting. Now let's welcome our friends from KG2 C who will perform an experiment in front of us. Yes, they will show us color chromatography with the help of colored water and tissue paper. We have water in 2 separate glasses. Now I will put some drops of red color into one glass and some drops of green color into another glass. Now mix it well. Now see, colors are absorbed by water because they are soluble in water. Now I will take one tissue paper and put half part of it into red colored glass and half part of it into empty glass. Yes, now I will also do the same thing. I will take one tissue paper and I will put into green colored glass. See, tissue is absorbing water. Wow, now empty glasses are filled. This is because tissue papers are absorbed by water. Through the help of tissue paper, water passed into another glass. My dear friends, have you enjoyed